Instructors brief the students on a training mission and the terrain of the drop zone. Trainees board up in the plane, their first actual jump is at hand. Perhaps the only exception to the rule that a rifle is a soldier's best friend is his parachute. Air Force planes are used for student jumps. Careful control is always exercised to minimize the possibility of injury. Four more jumps and these men will receive their Paratroopers badge. Big brother is always watching.
Everybody okay? Yay! Everybody happy? Yay! Everybody got a jump? Yay! Hand in arms!
In 1784, Benjamin Franklin wrote, "Where is the prince who can afford so to cover his country with troops for the defense, as that 10,000 men descending from the clouds might not, in many places, do an infinite amount of mischief before a force could be brought together to repel them?" Touchdown and success. Only 4 more to go for the wings. In any kind of war, weapons and machines are very important. The man himself remains the essential element of success in combat. The infantryman, however armed, however transported, whatever his mission, is the key to any combination designed to gain that success. He fights over any terrain, in any climate, and under any conditions imposed by man and nature.
The heads are up, the chests are out, the arms are swinging in cadence count. Sound off, 1, 2, sound.